Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete keyboard history on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead right here to to your browser. Okay, let's see how it's done. So basically, what you're gonna do if you want to delete your keyboard history, go to the settings, general, and then transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap reset, and then tab reset keyboard dictionary. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen and demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the general, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to scroll a little bit down, click transfer or reset iPhone, click reset, and then click reset. It's gonna open up a new window for you. Choose the reset keyboard dictionary, and basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna be able to enter your passcode to confirm that this is you who was making that action, and basically you're gonna be able to reset the iPhone, and from there you're gonna be able to reset your keyboard history on iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.